First of all, subscribe his channel, YouTube channel, and support him. As you know, he is very entertaining YouTuber. As you see, he found he explore our New Delhi, our India, front of the world.
Beautiful, amazing India. Yes. Okay.
Thank you for visit our India. I really thank you to visit India because there are lots of history and lots of love. You want to explore or more. Thank you for coming here.
Guys, I'm grateful because I really, for me, Indian one, it's one of my favorite country because of people. People are like you, lovely, friendly, open, amazing. Thank you so much. Yeah. How do you say? How do you say before you finish? Thank you in your language.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Okay.
यहाँ आने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
Okay. Shukriya. Thank you so much, guys. You are amazing. Thank you so much. Yeah.
My name is Arman. I am from New Delhi.
Okay. And you?
I am also from Delhi. My name is Aslam.
Okay, guys. And what are you doing here?
We are just wondering. Actually, we went for college, but suddenly we changed our plan and we decided to make trip for Taj Mahal.
To make what? Sorry.
Make trip to Taj Mahal.
Okay. Yeah. And you?
Yeah.
Same. Yeah.
Same. We planned a trip for we go together and how is this? I want to explore this.
It's your first time here in Taj Mahal.
Yeah,
first
it's my also first time experience. It's very interesting and lovely experience.
And you? Yeah.
I want to actually explore this because this is a symbol of love. It explains the lots of love. I want to explore this.
Okay. So, what do you know about the story from Taj Mahal?
Taj Mahal is a symbol of love. It's created by Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan is a there is a
It's made by Shah Jahan. It's actually a symbol of love. He made Taj Mahal for his lover. Actually, his lover were die, and suddenly he decided to make something which never created for anyone through anyone in entire world. So he make Taj Mahal. It's made by Sangmarmar stone. It's very rich stone. That's all about I know about Taj Mahal.
Okay. Would you like to add anything else about Taj Mahal?
sorry.
Would you like to add anything else about Taj Mahal?
Anything else?
Anything else?
Taj Mahal.
I actually came first time to explore this, but I know to more everyone know too.
Cool. And is this the most important monument in India for you guys? Is this the most important monument for you?
For me, as I am the citizen of India, that's all I want to say.
This is world's entire most popular thing places. Or we also proud to be our India is in which countries who have the most seven
Wonderful.
wonderful places. That's Taj Mahal. I'm proud of this.
And you guys, you said you are from New Delhi, right?
Yeah, I'm from Delhi.
What can we visit and see in New Delhi?
In New Delhi, many have place to you visit. First of all, India Gate, Qutub Minar, Taj. Qutub Minar is a most historical place. You want to visit it. Is amazing. I have actually experienced this. Matlab,
If you really want to special places in this, so you must go to Jama Masjid.
Okay, why?
It's because there are a lot of interesting food you found and other many things like
Jama is also created by this is grandparents of Shah Jahan. कौन हुमायूं था ना हाँ हुमायूं Master Humayun who created the Jama Masjid is a forts to Muslim peoples. In this place Muslim peoples are namaz
5 time prayer he do in Jama Masjid. It is a very populated place. It's mainly known for his food culture.
Okay, thanks so much, guys. Now, let's see. Do you know what is a stereotype? Do you know what stereotypes are? Stereotype.
No.
Okay. So, yeah, no. Well, so for example, people in New Delhi, what are they known for? What makes them unique or stuff like that?
If I on a honest note, Delhi people known for his lovely culture.
That's true, yeah.
Lovely culture is a we welcome our tourists to came and visit our most historical places. First of all, you want to if you visit to Delhi, you want to know about is this history, this what is the Delhi actual meaning of Delhi, and how is the Delhi is a center of India.
So why people in New Delhi are so friendly, so lovely? That's interesting. Why?
Because it's all about the people. If people is good, so culture also consider good.
Thank you so much, yeah.
Also, there are Delhi's people. Actually, we are belong from Delhi, so I want to say that कि, our love of Delhi people are too amazing.